original work for us. Are you ready for it, sir? All right, let's give it up for Mr. Nathan Noel. Let's put a beat out here. Let's clap our hands together. Mr. Nathan Noel, you want to come to the stage? Mr. Nathan Noel, you got to say something to us.
Piece by piece, I call the cops. She give me some money, but she got some more. My house is burning, call the firefighters. Paid them $30, juice is turning. My heart is broken. To New Orleans, gotta go to the doctors and pay him $50. It was so not worth it. But if I didn't do it, I would